All right, here you go. Do you remember that Buzz Lightyear versus Master Chief repaint and sort of custom and diorama I did a few videos back? Well, I'll put that also in the end of this video. But this here's Marvin the Martian. I took his head from a Funko Pop. His body is from that red Spartan I bought from Kohl's for 12 bucks. As you can see on the bottom, see it was red. This here was an interesting one that this is called I Learned the Hard Way. This is what it's called. I guarantee this is, I learned the hard way. This is a 12-inch figure. This is Master Chief's gun that I took from Master Chief when Buzz Lightyear tore him up and took him out. This is the gun this one came with. This is just a Spartan, cheap, $12 plastic figure. But I wanted Marvin the Martian to be a Spartan. So it's just it was a simple head. I think I did a tutorial on how I did this, but all I had to do is drum out the head a little bit more because it was too small to fit on there. And it doesn't really turn because it can't. It could, but it's on there pretty good. But anyway, this is just was supposed to be a fast piece that was going to be fun. That was going to be like, oh man, it's okay. Let me throw this together. Let me color this thing black, and then go ahead and put the orange in it. Well, I'll tell you right now, where I screwed up was I should have did the other way. I took my time with this thing too. I took my time. It's probably not the best lines ever, because I tell you, by this time I was aggravated. I was aggravated, man. I was extremely aggravated. And why I'm saying that is because I painted a whole thing black, and I tried to go in and put the orange over top of the black. What I should have did was paint the whole damn thing orange, like my daughter told me to after I showed her. I said this was a pain in the ass. I like how it turned out. It could be a little more cleaner, but I tell you, frustration, yeah, could have been better. The frustration was nuts. But I don't know. If you're going to do something, the majority of it's going to be black. Go with the opaque white. Give it a primer. Do your color that you want to do, whatever you want to do. Mask it off as best you can or something like that, or go back in with a brush maybe, and then mask it off and then hit the whole base of it black. It was just, man, damn, man, I'm telling you, this was something else. But I finished it. I was glad I was done with it. Like I said, I still took my time, tried to make my colors, my lines really nice and clean. For the most part, they are on this one, but this was just a throw together, have fun. Marvin the Martian getting jacked, aggravated. Anyway, this is a quick one. I'll see you on the next one. And I thank for anybody that watches. Take the time at the comment. I appreciate you. Until the next one, I'll see you guys later. And let me just bang into the camera. All right, guys, see ya.